Alrighty guys, this is Older Boys Hip Hop second dance. We're going to start learning our new routine, our second dance, which is Timeless by Ross Lynch. And we're going to start in an X formation. I'm going to have Donnie here in the center. And you're going to have to help me remember, boys, which side I had you on, but you'll be able to help me with that. I'm going to have Alejandro on this back corner, Daniel this corner. I'm going to have Aiden and Blake. And you're all going to start with your heads looking down at the ground, and we're going to be divided into two groups. So my boys back here, my three boys here, you're going to be group 1. My two boys here in the front, you're going to be group 2. So we're going to have 2 8 counts at the beginning of the song, where group 1, back here, you're going to lift your head slowly for 1 8 count. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you're going to hold. Then the next boys, you're going to go. So my boys here in group 2, you're going to have your head down and you're going to wait for your turn. Then you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. So one thing that we're also going to be doing in this dance that's going to be a little different than in car wash is it's a little bit slower. We're going to be listening to the words a little bit more. So some of the steps will be a little smoother, not quite as hyper as we all know car wash can be. So we're also going to be dancing to the lyrics a lot. So I do suggest, if you get a chance to, go print out the lyrics so you can read them and get familiar with them, so you all know what he's saying in the song. So when he says, this first line is going to be every day, day, day. You boys have already raised your heads. All the boys are up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When he says every day, day. First time he says every day, you're going to take your right hand up and make a half moon. Every day, then he's going to say the next word day, day, and then he says day for a third time. I'm going to drop him down, day. So he says every day, day, day. So I'm going to raise my hand up every day, day, bring them both down, day. Then he's going to say, I fall for you a little more. I'm going to twist my toes over to the corner a little bit and slide my hand onto my heart. So I fall for you a little more. Then he kind of does something a little silly in the song where he says, I fall for you a little more, or. So on that or, we want to pump our heart. Or. So when he says, I fall for you a little more, or. Alright? Then our next time, he's going to talk about the nighttime. So when he says, and every night, kind of sounds familiar. So I'm going to go on this first, and every night, I'm going to put my left hand out like it's going to be a pillow. Every night, and I'm going to tilt my head like I'm going to lay it on the pillow. Then I'm going to take my right hand and slide it on in there. On the next time, he says, night. So I go, night, good night, going to go to sleep. Then I'm going to tilt my head up. On the third time, he's going to say the word night. So, then he's going to say, I dream, because we all usually dream when we're sleeping. So, when he says, I dream, we're going to look up to the sky. I dream, but keep your hands right next to your face. And then he's going to say, so beautiful. You're going to take your right hand and put it on the opposite side of your face. So beautiful. And you're going to look forward at the audience. So beautiful. And then he kind of does another one of those little weird things, like before when he said more or. This time he's going to say so beautiful, oh. You're going to take your hands and on that oh, you're going to tick-tock it out. Oh. Alrighty? We're going to move on. So now he's going to say yeah. And so your hands have gone tick-tock, tick-tock, all the way down. And you nod your head twice. Yeah, like we're agreeing with something. And now, we're going to do some other stuff. He's going to say, every time we laugh. So you're going to come down. Every time, we're like, we're about to laugh. Every time we, and when he says we laugh, like, we're laughing, it's so funny, we're going to flick our hands out. So when he says, and every time we laugh, so funny, then he's going to say, I see the sparks fly. We're going to take our right hand and drag it across our eyes. using the back of our hand. I see the sparks fly. We're going to take our right hand that's out and we're going to kind of do a little worm.